Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about this sample provided by Dream Pairs. Thank you, Dream Pairs, for the sample. This is the box that originally comes with. I'm a size 7 and I chose color white. This is how they look, and they look pretty, they look stylish, they are extremely light and comfortable. So they do have here a little bit of an arc support, and this has a great grip so you won't slip. Mine are color white. There are some styles that come with different designs here, different colors, and they look so pretty. The white ones have this design here. So it looks very stylish. You can match them with jeans, skirts, different pants, or like I have with sweatpants if I want to just take it easy during the day. I hope you enjoy them. Really hope you check them out and you enjoy them as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.